Perimbam, Om Namah Shivaya. First of all, I would like to thank God uh, to introduce me to Guruji. And I first met Guruji at Ganesh Temple, and it was on the Shivratri day. Uh, it was before 11 o'clock we had a puja. So I met Guruji, and he was just sitting here. He was sitting here. Oh. Yeah, yeah. He was just sitting in this corner, and my husband and I came, and all of a sudden I saw Guruji, and he was just in his full dhyana without blinking his eyes. That was so fascinating, and I always tell in my speech that was something that was so adorable. So every time when the Panditji was doing puja, every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, I look at Guruji. And just to see whether he's opening his eyes or blinking his eyes. I don't know what attracted me to that. So anyway, my brother-in-law Kesar, after the puja, I asked him who is he. That he said he does meditation. So this was towards the midnight. So I said, okay, I want to do meditation. Then when everyone was about to go, and I came to Guruji, and the first thing he asked me, can you drop me home? And I was shocked. I said, okay, I'll ask my husband. And then Guruji said, you are Shiva's baby. Until now, he says that you are Shiva's baby because Lord Shiva has uh, asked, that's what he said, he's asked me to drop him, so he was just praying himself, yeah. And since then, Guruji, when we talked to Guruji, and even when we dropped him at home, we couldn't understand him because he had very limited English, and then most of the time he was talking in Tamil. So anyway, we could communicate somehow or the other. Uh, but when Monisha came, then we tend to understand these things better. I think Payal was before me. She was doing meditation before me. So when Monisha came down to Ganesh Temple and Guruji introduced her to us, then that's the time we tend to understand things better with the meditation. With me, I always wanted to do meditation. I read so many books, I watched YouTube, but it didn't, that's not the feeling that I have at the moment. So, I mean, when you go to school, when you do puja, you always have a guru who has got expertise in certain things. So Guruji has got expertise in meditation. So in order to get those spirit and those motivation, you need to have a guru. And I think Lord Shiva has guided me, that Guruji is the one who could guide me to do the proper way of doing meditation. So then we started meditation, and then I introduced Guruji to the Sanatan Sabha. So over the year, we had a lot of people who had done meditation, and the chakra was open, and I think they still continue to do that. And now we have got quite a lot of venues that Guruji goes and does meditation, and that's on Sundays, weekdays, and I think later on Bhavisha will say until what are the venues that they go. And every Saturdays, I think we are here at the Ganesh Temple, and there are so many miracles that happens when you do meditation. To me, I personally feel that I'm so um, cool and calm. And I've got such, I don't know, sometimes you can't describe your feeling. So it is so pure at times you feel that way. And I think with this meditation, I'm very, very blessed to have Guruji in all our lives, I suppose, to do and give us proper guidance. And I think and I wish that everybody can, you know, uh, take some knowledge of Guruji. And as Guruji says, you have to help yourself to get whatever you want. And I, and that's again the only thing we can say, we wish and we ask people to come and join us. And this is for you and for everyone. So I think that's all from my side. Om Namah Shivaya.